Companies Act 2013. Salient features. Incorporated association. Company is an incorporated association of persons created by law. Incorporation of company requires registration of formal documents with the registrar of the companies, like memorandum of association is important document which contains purpose for which a company is formed. An article of association lays down rules and regulations for governance of the company. Second, independent legal entity. A company has a legal entity distinct and separate from its members. It is an autonomous body, self-controlling and self-governing. It can enter into contracts, open a bank account in its own name, sue and can be sued by its members as well as outsiders. Shareholders cannot be held liable for the wrongs and misdeeds of the company. Third, separate property. Company's property is clearly distinguished from the members' property, and members have no direct rights to the company property but merely their shares. Company cannot be property of the person who owns all the shares in the company, nor to be considered his agent. Fourth, perpetual existence. A company has a perpetual succession. The life of the company will never come to an end. It has no allotted span of life. The existence of the company can be terminated only by law. Thus, members can come and go, but the company can go on forever. 5. Common seal. Company is an artificial body, but it acts through human beings who are called directors. They act agent to the company, but not to its members. Common seal is the official signature of the company. A document not bearing the common seal of the company will not be binding on the company. Sixth, separation of ownership and management. Company is owned by a number of shareholders. They set the objectives of the company and appoint their representatives known as directors to manage the affair of the company. Directors appoint managers to run day-to-day operations of the company. Seventh, limited liability. Shareholders have limited liability, limited to the extent of unpaid value of shares held up. In case of losses, shareholders are not called upon to make the losses. Members are liable to contribute a specified agreed sum to the asset of the company in the event of the company being wound up. 8th, transferability of shares. The shares of the public company are freely transferable. One can sell one's share of ownership rights to an interested buyer, while in case of private company, there are some restrictions in the transferability of shares.